So this is the unit 28F12. So this is the owner, Doc Jack. Hello. May paano pa?
Shurak.
May pa-shurak. Then check the mirrors. May pa-cabinets.
Ang cabinets is this one.
So ang dami niyong lalagyan.
And then,
So excuse the the contents, pero pwede niyo pong gamitin to. So napakaraming cabinet, no? Then may extra mat sa taas. Then here, see this. May pa free na kompletong set. Then may pa tawag dito. May pa curtain si Doc. Then may pa study lamp. Then another cabinet. Then may fridge na mas cute pa sa boyfriend mo. May pa induction cooker tsaka microwave.
i-open.
And may main siya, table. See, foldable para tipid sa space. So, meron din exhaust. Then, let's check the CR. Comfort room.
This one.
May mga may mga sabitan. May sabitan din. And meron din doon. And, see? And another mirror. So, napakaraming gamit na. So, na lang. Ready to occupy talaga. So, ayun. May pa-chairs din. Then may pa-mat. Pa pala si Doc. So, good for 2. Pero pwedeng until 4 maximum. So, ayun. It's for 25,000 a month. So, contact me or her. The posted number. So, ayan. Thank you.